In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a drawer roller wheel in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new roller wheel, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. With the door open, remove the crisper drawer by pulling the drawer out until it stops. Tilt up and out to remove. To remove the roller axle and wheel, use a needle nose pliers to pinch the two retaining tabs on the axle while pushing the axle out. When shopping for a new roller wheel, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag in your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. On this model, this part will work on the left, center, or right side drawer. To install the roller wheel, align it in the retaining slot. To install the roller axle, align and push it in the hole until the retaining tabs snap into place. To install the drawer, first insert the rear into the rails, lift up on the front, and push it closed. And that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.